Hi everyone, this is Jorge and this is week 2 project contacts part 2. In this assignment, we are working with the API documentation, the database, and some other stuffs. So we're going to show this code right here. So we have been working in this part of the server. Okay, we're adding this access control to set the header, the get, pass, put, delete, and options, right? Then we have the Swagger auto generation to get the API. Okay, and we are working on this part as well. In this part, as we saw in the video example, we should delete the HTTPS because it's right here. It's HTTPS, and then we paste the link of our project on render that is already deployed, right? Then we work in this very important. Okay, we have the users. Okay, right here we have different functions. They get our function, they get single function, they create user function, update user, delete user, and we just export every function right here. And then we create this very important file that is the routes.rest. This one is just to create the routes and use get, post, put to make or show our program work. If we click here, we're going to get all the contacts, right here. If we click here, we are going to get the ID that we are requesting is this one. We're going to get the information from that. If we want to create a new contact, we can also make it. And update as well. Okay, update as well, yeah. And this is because I am PM. Okay, right it is. I forgot to start, but now it's working. As you can see, create new content and also the update. And then we can see that we are going to work on the we're working also on the project in this part, and we can see that here we have already our program deployed in the dashboard from the render.com. If we go there, we are going to see our program deployed, and we are going to look at the functionality. We're going to wait just some seconds. The application is loading, and we are going to see how it's going to work now. Let's wait a little bit more. It's work. So now we are on render, and this is our link. If we go there, we see that the users part is working, and we can see our users, the ID, username, email name, and IP address. And then we have our API docs. And this is done by Swagger. And we can see, for example, the get we can try out and execute, and we receive our hello world, right? Then we have, for example, to know our users, we're going to try out, and we are going to see here our users. Okay, let's say that we want to change the name of Saul to maybe Miguel. Okay, so we're going to go to this part of the put, and we're going to try out. We are going to, okay, paste the ID, and we're going to, let me get the users again right here. We want to change the name of Saul. Okay, so we're going to copy this one here. Uh-huh. I'm going to name it Miguel with the ID, and you are going to execute. Okay, so we are going to look if it's done the change. We're going to execute again the users, and the name should be now Miguel, right? So as we can see, this is working well, and basically this is our program made with Swagger. I'm sorry, Swagger.